Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to save my design in Canva. Now here, as you can see, I have opened my Canva account, and now what you should do is simply go to any project that you need. So here I will go to my projects on the left side, and I will choose this option right here. And now let's say that I have made some changes to this section right here. I will add simply a text. I will add this one here, for example, just drag and drop, and I'm gonna type hello everyone. Now simply, if you want to make sure that this change, meaning adding this text right here, is saved to your project, you should go to file, and here you'll find out that all are saved because everything you do here is saved automatically. And now let me show you. If I go back to the home page, now I can go back to the design, and I'll find out that all the changes that I have done is saved to my project. Now if you want to save the design itself to your computer, just click on the share button on the top right side, then go and click on download. Choose any file type that you want to use, then click on download, and it will be downloaded directly to your computer. So here, as you can see, I can simply click on show in folder, and here I have my own design saved here to my computer. And that's pretty much it. This is how you do it. Please support us with like, subscribe, hit that bell icon to get all the new videos, and goodbye.